both comforting and packed with flavor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a smoky meatball stew in just 3 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. A hearty, flavorful stew in no time at all. It's a hearty family favorite with a tasty twist that's sure to become a staple in your household. Let's get started. First, grab 325 grams of meatballs and 1 tablespoon of oil. These meatballs will be the star of our dish, providing that rich, savory base. Heat the oil in a large sauté pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add the meatballs and brown them on all sides. This step is crucial for locking in the flavors. Once they're nice and brown, take them out and set them aside for now. Don't worry, they'll be back soon to soak up all the delicious flavors of our stew. Now, in the same pan, add 1 diced onion. The onion will absorb all those leftover meatball juices, adding depth to our stew. Fry it up until it's softened and smelling amazing. This should take about 5 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the onions are translucent and fragrant. Time to add the magic. Stir in